I'm making praline topped apple bread. This bread is great anytime, but really good breakfast bread for brunch. You'll really enjoy it. So let's get started on Darlene's table. I'm going to start with the sour cream, sugar, and eggs. And like magic, I have a whisk. So I'm going to mix this real well, and then I'm going to add the dry ingredients to it. So I started out with the cinnamon and baking powder and salt. So add in the flour and mix it, part of it. You don't want to beat this until it's just perfectly smooth. You just want it mixed well. And the rest of the flour. See, it's a pretty thick batter. Now I'm adding the pecans and apples. These are Granny Smith apples, 1.5 cups. Just fold the pecans and the apples in until everything's mixed well. Spread the batter in a greased loaf pan. Make sure I get all that batter. Spread it out evenly. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 50 to 55 minutes. Oh, that looks so good. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to turn it out to completely cool. Now, we will not make the topping. Don't even start it until this bread is totally cooled. Which it is now, so here we go. The topping is just brown sugar and butter. You're going to bring it to a boil, though, and cook it for about a minute. And then working quickly, you're going to pour it over the bread. Once that butter's all melted, a minute. And I did time it. Over the cooled bread with the hot praline topping. It made the nicest topping, and it was so good. The topping stayed on the bread nicely, and it started cooling down as soon as it hit the bread, which is why you want the bread at room temperature. Now I've got a quarter of pecans that I had set back, 1/4 cup, and I'm going to put those on top and just kind of press them in. This topping gets firm, but not hard. It sets completely and is not sticky. Southern Living made a list of 52 breads worthy of a coffee break, and way down the list was apple bread, number 42 to be exact. But after making this, I think I'm going to put it near the top of my list. It really was an amazing slice of bread full of Granny Smith apples and then topped with that thick praline topping. It's a keeper. So you can find the printable recipe on my new website, darlenestable.com. I do appreciate you guys, and come back soon. on Darlene's table. Have a blessed day.